Large volume leather cutting configuration. In order to cover a large volume of production, the key is to split the process into several different stages, each performed to optimal efficiency conditions by specialised personnel. This will ensure a high processing speed, as well as increased flexibility and scalability of the solution. For this, Gemini is proposing a solution made from 3 different stages: leather inspection, orders management and nesting, cutting and collecting. To integrate these 3 steps into one single continuous and efficient workflow, Gemini developed a state-of-the-art system based both on a powerful database as well as on an easy-to-operate and simple barcode labelling system. Let's follow together the 3 steps of Gemini's large-scale leather cutting system. Once the hides arrive in the warehouse, they will be immediately processed. This means automatic contour detection using the camera photo digitizer, and also quality inspection and quality zone declaration marked directly on the leather surface using the computer's mouse. If required, inspection can be done on both sides of the hide using Gemini's unique hide flip procedure. Depending on volume, leather inspection can be done by one or several operators in parallel. The working place does not require a special hardware, just a simple table and the software accessories, projector and camera. This simple and low-cost solution makes it easy to expand this department with low investment whenever necessary. Leather inspection provides also a valuable tool to generate a report about the hide supply source by calculating very accurately the total hide surface and also by each quality level, so the purchaser can easily verify the accuracy of the quantity and quality specified in the invoice. Once inspected, hides are classified and stored into the server database, and a barcode label is generated so that hides can easily be identified later in the process. The system can store information about up to 5 million hides, which is more than enough to provide a full archive containing the entire activity of the company for 1 or several years, so at any moment one can obtain an accurate report regarding any part of the leather cutting process. The second important step is orders management and nesting. Gemini leather cutting software can process orders for up to 500,000 products cut from a maximum of 20 million pieces. Orders declaration is simple and can contain one or several products with different priority levels. For example, if the main product is made from large pieces that may generate a lot of wasted material during nesting, the order can be completed with a secondary product, which will automatically be placed in a second step to fill the gaps and empty spaces between the primary pieces. Large orders can be split to be processed by several operators, each one producing separate markers and using different hides. Both manual and automatic nesting are available in the system. Usually, the manual nesting is required for very special quality conditions or matching restrictions, or for very rare or expensive hides, and in this situation, the nesting is done easily directly on the leather's surface. Wireless mouse and mini keyboard give the necessary freedom to the operator to move around the table and to always have a good view of the hide's surface. In most cases, however, especially for shoes, bags and production of other small items, automatic nesting is recommended because it provides high efficiency, high speed and accurate quality zone matching. For automatic nesting, there is no need to work directly on the hide surface. Operators can make the nest directly on screen. Gemini offers a valuable unique feature to automatically nest on several hides at once by shifting the parts automatically from one hide to another. This feature is the key to obtaining a higher efficiency than can be obtained when nesting only on one hide at a time. By nesting up to 10 hides in the same marker, each user can significantly increase the processing speed, a critical advantage, especially for large orders. Once the nesting on one hide is done, this hide is queued for cutting. Again, as for initial leather inspection, there is no need for expensive hardware. A simple table and a video projector are the only requirements. In some cases, the table can be provided with a vacuum absorption system to better flatten the hide on the surface. At this stage, a stack of hides are ready for cutting. For each hide, a marker is waiting in the database, and once the cutter operator places the hide on the cutter surface and reads the barcode label, the marker previously prepared will be retrieved and ready to be cut. An important procedure now is to find the same position on the table where the hide was digitized and nested. Gemini makes this very simple by rotating and translating the projected image of the hide. The unique technology, Cut Here, allows the user to virtually move the marker over the hide, instead of trying to physically move the hide on the required position. A cut job will then be generated, and the cutter will cut the hide. Depending on the hide's dimensions, different sizes of cutters can be used, ranging from a small 100 by 140 cm cutter used for sheep and goat hides, to a large 300 by 400 cm cutter for full cow hides. The tools installed on the cutter head may vary according to production requirements and may contain a high-frequency vibrating knife, an oscillating knife or bristle table, a round knife, different shapes of punches, drills, pens or laser. One or more cutters can be used. If the cutter surface is big enough to accommodate 2 hides, the system can generate 2 independent cut jobs alternatively, so the operator can collect the parts and place another hide, while on the other half of the table another hide is being cut. After cutting, an important step is piece collecting. This operation is also assisted by computer. A flashing light will mark different parts according to size or product group, while the name of the piece or group will be displayed directly on the cutter surface. Barcode labels can also be generated at this moment to create the link with later production phases. Comprehensive reports about consumption, efficiency, time and hide stocks are generated by the system to create a full and clear image of the entire workflow and results. Similar to the system presented in this movie, Gemini leather cutting package can also be configured in many other ways, from a very simple all-on cutter solution to inline or parallel configurations, each one for a different budget and for different production volumes. To see other examples, please watch the other demo movies to find the best solution for your business. Gemini CAD thanks you for watching this video.